Comparison between homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Now first say what is meant by homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means when the two same element combine with each other, then the formation of molecules are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. For example, N2 molecule, nitrogen molecule. Now nitrogen molecule form when nitrogen and nitrogen react with each other, then it gives N2 molecule. And heteronuclear diatomic molecule means when two different elements combine with each other, then the formation of molecules are called as heteronuclear diatomic molecule. For example, carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives carbon monoxide, CO. Such type of molecule are called as heteronuclear diatomic molecule. In MO energy level diagram, in which homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Now first say how to form MO energy level diagram by using LCO principle, and how to form heteronuclear diatomic molecule by using LCO principle. First say homonuclear diatomic molecule of nitrogen. Nitrogen molecule is formed when nitrogen and another nitrogen react with each other, then it gives N2. We all know about nitrogen. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, and hence electron configuration becomes 1s2 2s2 2p3 1s2 2s2 2p3. In nitrogen, in which first cell contains 2 electron, these are inner and side. Such type of electron do not take part in bonding, while outermost cell contains 2s2 and 2p3. These atomic orbital take part in bonding with the help of LCO principle. When the SS orbital overlap with each other, sign of atomic orbital is same, then density of nucleus increases and it gives bonding molecular orbitals. While SS orbital, their sign is different. Such type of atomic orbital close with each other. They do not mix with each other, do not increase density. They are separated from each other. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbitals, and they are shown in MO energy level diagram at the top, while bonding molecular orbital are shown in MO energy level diagram at the bottom. Then in nitrogen, 2p orbital contains 3 electron, and p orbital means px, py and pz. Now px atomic orbital overlap or react with each other, then it gives sigma bonding. The lobes which are perpendicular to the axis, these lobes or atomic orbital overlap or react with each other, then the density of nucleus increases. They are called as bonding molecular orbitals. While again px atomic orbital, their sign is different. Here plus and minus, minus and plus. They react with each other, then their density of nucleus increases. They are called as bonding molecular orbital. While sign is different, sign difference means plus minus, they do not react with each other. Node is formed in between two atomic orbital, and such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbital. Star sign is used for such type of atomic molecular orbitals. Also in p orbital, again two atomic orbitals are present, py and pz. Py and pz atomic orbital are perpendicular to the axis. When their sign is same, such type of atomic orbital, their sign is same means plus minus, plus minus. Then their density of nucleus increases. Node is formed in between two atomic orbital. They are called as bonding molecular orbital. They are perpendicular to the axis and hence to form pi bond. while the atomic orbital, their sign is different. With the help of LCO principle, linear combination atomic orbital rule or principle, uh, plus, minus and plus, they do not mix with each other, do not increase the density of nucleus increase, and node is formed in between two atomic orbital. They are called as anti-bonding molecular orbital, and in MO energy level diagram such type of molecular orbitals are shown at the higher level. Now see MO energy level diagram for N2 molecule. This is N2 molecule. N2 molecule, SS orbital at the left hand side, atomic orbital of nitrogen, at the left right hand side, atomic orbital of nitrogen. They react with each other, hence MO molecular orbitals are shown in between these two nitrogen. The required energy, SS orbital overlap with each other, then bonding molecular orbital are formed sigma 2s. SS orbital react with each other with the help of different sign. They are called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. They are shown at the higher level. While p orbital and p orbital react with each other, px atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives bonding molecular orbital. While py and pz atomic orbital overlap or react with each other, it gives anti-bonding molecular orbital. They are shown at the higher side and they are shown at the lower side. Now bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals are formed in MO energy level diagram. Again, electron enter with the help of Abo's principle and Hund's rule. Now, for example, filling of S electron. In S orbital contains at this side 2 electron, at this side 2 electron, total 4 electron enter with the help of Hund's rule and Abo's principle. Maximum multiplicity 1, 2, 3 and 4. While p orbital contains 3 electron, here 3, total 6 electron enter with the help of Hund's rule and Abo's principle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 2 pi 2py pi 2pz contains each orbital 2 electrons, while sigma 2px contains 2 electrons, and pi star 2px and pi star 2py contains 0 electrons. They are shown at the higher level, and such type of molecular orbitals are called as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Now see how to calculate bond order. Bond order is calculated by using the formula bond order is equal to half into number of electron present in bonding minus number of electron present in anti-bonding. Now this is formula for nitrogen molecule. Number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital, total 8 electrons. 8 electrons, here 2 electrons are present at this side, total 6 electron, total 8 electron. 2 plus 6 8 minus number of electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. In sigma star 2s contains 2 electrons, hence for nitrogen 3 covalent bond present in molecule. Also stabilization energy is calculated. Number of electron present in bonding into minus beta plus number of electron present in anti-bonding into minus beta. Number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital 8 into minus beta plus number of electron present in anti-bonding 2 into plus beta, that is answer is minus 6. They are called as stabilization energy. Again, magnetic property in MO energy level diagram in which paired electrons are present, then such type of molecule is diamagnetic in nature, while unpaired electron present in molecular orbitals, they are called as paramagnetic. Now in nitrogen in which total each and every orbital paired electrons are present, hence Here 2 paired electrons are present, hence nitrogen is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic means the molecule which do not attract towards the magnet. Then MO electron configuration. MO electron configuration means bottom to top electrons are represent as how many electrons are present in orbitals. They are written serially. For example, for nitrogen, K sign is used, KK. This is K for 1s2, another K for 1s2. Then sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2 py, pi 2 pz contains 4, pi sigma 2 px contains 2 electron. This is MO energy level diagram for nitrogen. Now then MO energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule. For example, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide molecule is formed when two carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, here carbon, atomic orbital of carbon, atomic orbital of oxygen. Then carbon, we know about electron configuration for carbon is 1s2 2s2 2p2, atomic number of carbon 6, and oxygen is 1s2 2s2 2p4. 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. These are inner side. Such type of electron do not take part in bonding, while outermost shell contains in oxygen 2s2 and 2p orbital contains 4 electrons, while carbon in which 2s2 and 2p 2 electrons. Now carbon, when we compare MO energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecule and MO energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule. In homonuclear diatomic molecule, in which the energy level of two elements are same, here 2s and 2s is same, but in heteronuclear diatomic molecule, assumptions of molecular orbitals or rules for molecular orbitals, electropositive element, their atomic orbitals are shown at the higher side, and electronegative elements, their atomic orbital are shown at the lower side, slightly lower side. Hence carbon, their atomic orbitals are shown at the higher level, while oxygen, their atomic orbitals are shown at the lower level. When SS orbital overlap with each other, then it gives bonding molecular orbital. While SS orbital overlap with each other, their sign is different. They are called as antibonding molecular orbital, and they are shown in MO energy level diagram. They are shown at the higher level. While pp orbital overlap with each other, in p orbital, in which there is 3 atomic orbital px, py and pz. When px atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives sigma bonding, while py and pz atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives pi bonding. And for carbon monoxide, MO energy level diagram for carbon monoxide is near about same for now with when we compare with nitrogen, because in nitrogen, in which pi orbital, this is pi orbital, pi 2py and pi 2pz are present at the lower level, while sigma 2px are present at the higher level. Because MO energy level diagram of carbon monoxide and nitrogen molecule, homonuclear diatomic molecule of nitrogen and heteronuclear diatomic molecule of carbon monoxide, their MO energy level diagram is same, because carbon monoxide and nitrogen molecule is isoelectronic with each other. Isoelectronic means nitrogen, their atomic number is 7, and another nitrogen, their atomic number is 7, means total 14 electrons present. 14 electrons are present in nitrogen molecule, while carbon monoxide, in which also 14 electrons are present. Carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, and oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8, and total electrons are present, also present in carbon monoxide 14 electrons. Now hence MO energy level diagram of carbon monoxide and nitrogen molecule is same. Hence their bond order, stabilization energy, as well as MO electron configuration, as well as magnetic properties are same. Now bond order is calculated with the help of formula. We know about bond order means number of electron present, half into number of electron present in bonding minus number of electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. In carbon monoxide, in which bonding molecular orbitals total 8 electrons, 2 are present in sigma star 2s and 6 electrons are present in pi 2py pi 2pz contains 4 electrons, sigma 2px contains 2 electrons. Hence 8 and sigma star 2s contains 2 electron, means anti-bonding molecular orbital contains 2 electron. When we calculate, then we get answer 3, that is carbon monoxide contains 3 covalent bond. Bond order means number of covalent bond present in molecule are called as bond order. Then stabilization energy is equal to number of electron present in bonding into minus beta plus number of electron present in anti-bonding into plus beta. Total electrons, 8 electrons are present in bonding molecular orbitals into minus beta plus 2 electrons are present in anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 2s into plus beta is equal to minus 6 beta. In CO, in which each and every molecular orbital paired electrons are present, hence CO molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Then last point for CO molecule, MO electron configuration. MO electron configuration KK. K stands for sigma 1s for carbon, another K stands for sigma 1s2 for oxygen, sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2py pi 2pz contains 4, sigma 2px contains 2, pi star 2py contains 0 electron, and sigma star 2px contains 0 electron. This is MO energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule of carbon monoxide. Now compare homonuclear and heteronuclear. In homonuclear, the MO energy level diagram are same. In heteronuclear, energy levels are different. Energy level means in nitrogen 2s orbital are shown at same level, but in carbon monoxide 2s orbital are not shown. 2s orbital are shown at the higher, 2s orbitals are shown at the lower, means electropositive elements their atomic orbital shown at the higher level, electronegative their atomic orbital are shown at the lower level. Now when we compare, another point for comparison, carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Carbon monoxide, their MO energy level diagram is drawn with the help of isoelectronic with each other. Isoelectron, when isoelectron rule is not a match, then again consider which molecule is more electronegative and their homonuclear diatomic molecule, how to present their homonuclear diatomic molecule. Thus in carbon monoxide and nitrogen molecule, in which bond order is same and stabilization energy also same. Again molecular orbital carbon monoxide as well as nitrogen molecule is diamagnetic in nature. MO electron configuration are also shown. These two diagrams are formed also with the help of LCO principle, linear combination of atomic orbital. Now difference between homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecule of carbon monoxide and nitrogen molecule. Now in homonuclear diatomic molecule, MO energy levels are same, while in heteronuclear energy level are different. In homonuclear diatomic molecule, orbitals are, their geometry is near about same, but in heteronuclear diatomic molecule, their geometry is different. Again, formula of bond order is same, stabilization energy is same. Hence, carbon monoxide is heteronuclear diatomic molecule and nitrogen molecule is homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now, this is comparison between homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecule of N2 and carbon monoxide molecule. There is different types of examples in heteronuclear diatomic molecule. For example, NO, nitric oxide, HCl, HF. These are heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Also studied about homonuclear diatomic molecule H2, C2, O2, N2, F2. Such type of molecules are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. Their MO energy level diagrams are slightly different, but their properties as well as their structure and energy level diagrams are near about same. This is comparison between homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecule of nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Thank you.